Hey everybody, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and this is my fridge. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. My name's English teacher Matthew, and today I want to introduce you to my fridge, which is this white thing here. Oh, and by the way, this ugly white thing over here is a boiler. It helps me have really hot showers in the morning. But anyway, you want to see what's in my fridge? Come take a look. Let's see what's in my fridge. Okay, so here we go. We're opening the fridge. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and here is the fridge. As you can see, so much stuff is in my fridge. Here are the shelves, the door shelves. So, and here are the shelves in here. So I have the top shelf, the middle shelf, another middle shelf. These are the two middle shelves. Maybe we can say this is the upper middle shelf. This is the lower middle shelf. And then we have the bottom shelf. And then this is the drawer. But in the drawer, I keep all of my vegetables. So you see, I have lots of different peppers. Oh, a broccoli. And what else have I got in here? Do you know what this is? Yes, that's right, it's a cucumber. And also some tomatoes. I love tomatoes. And a bag of salad. Everyone needs a bag of salad in their life, right? And everyone needs some fruit, so this is one of my favorite fruits. It's grapes and some blueberries. I've still got some blueberries left over. And also in my shelf I have some hummus. Loads and loads of hummus. Hummus is basically ground or mashed chickpeas. So most of this actually is not my food because I live with some other people. But this is also mine. I love drinking almond milk instead of the cow milk. Almond milk is so much better. I also have a soya milk as well, but wasn't such a big fan of that. But I also have regular cow milk too. And so the same here, I've got some eggs as well. And chicken. This is sliced chicken. Ugh, don't really eat that anymore. Yuck. And here's some sliced cheese. I don't eat that either. Looks a bit ugh. And then I also have, oh look, this is like a frankfurter, some kind of sausage. And then more milk. Here we have, oh, there's a yogurt, a sour cream. These are in pots. Some soup. I think it's cauliflower soup actually, or cauliflower and broccoli soup in here. Some leftovers. Somebody's leftover pizza is up here. Then we also have some more yogurt. And some butter. This is butter. And at the back here is like some tomato-y crap that you put in your pasta. Sauces, ketchup, there's tomato sauce, mayonnaise, again I don't really eat mayonnaise anymore, and a chocolate. Don't ask me why, but the top shelf has medicine in it. I don't know why, it's just there. But anyway, this is my fridge. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, then just leave them in the comments below and I'll let you know. But what's in your fridge? Maybe you can tell me in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.